My Lord Jesus. I usually do that on my own.
I usually do that on my own, and that's why it doesn't work. Don't love the approach. One of the things you got to remember is that a weak frontal cortex will put the body into flexion on that same side. So if a body is stuck in flexion, if someone has neck pain on one side versus the other, their neck's tight on one side versus the other, the question I would be asking is that hemisphere of the brain weaker than the other? And if it is, then we need to adjust for it. But the trick is that you can adjust both sides of the neck and get stimulus to one side of the one hemisphere or the other. You can't fix it unless you balance out the brain. And so if you're interested in the test that we actually use to measure the hemispheres of someone's brain and see where those weaknesses are, if you comment tech below, I will send our tech stack over to you. It's the exact set of tests that we do inside of our practice and what they're measuring for. Would love to send it to you. Just comment below.